Once in a little village, there was a boy named Benjamin who loved to do nothing but laze around all day. He ignored his chores and didn't help his parents. This made everyone in the village upset with him. One day, Benjamin heard about a wise man who lived far and deep in the forest. Benjamin's friend said this man could help change anyone for the better. Feeling guilty about his laziness, Benjamin decided to find the wise person. He journeyed through the thick woods, and after a few days, he reached the hermit's house. The hermit was an old man with a long white beard. Benjamin told him about his laziness and how it was causing problems. After listening to Benjamin's problems, the hermit gave Tim a small basket and said, "Fill this basket with water from the stream nearby." Benjamin was puzzled because he knew baskets couldn't hold water. Still, he tried and failed many times. Water just leaked out through the holes. Exhausted and discouraged, Benjamin returned to the hermit. He confessed his failure. The hermit smiled kindly and asked, "While you were at the stream, did you notice anything else?" He thought for a moment and said, "Yes, I saw the beautiful forest, heard the flowing stream and the birds singing." The hermit nodded kindly and explained, "Here's the lesson, my child. Just like you can't keep water in a basket, you can't save time that's already gone. But in the beauty of the forest and the sound of the stream, there are happy moments. Enjoy those moments. It will change your life, and you'll find happiness too. So use your time wisely." Benjamin understood. He thanked the wise hermit and returned to his village a changed boy. He stopped being lazy and started appreciating each moment. Benjamin became a responsible and hard-working young man, earning the respect of his family and people of the village. This story teaches us that even the simplest lessons can help us change for the better, and we should value every moment in life and should use our time wisely.